Welcome to the 2023 Sodick dealer meeting in Emo, Hanover.
Because we've got the best product in the world. So all I have to do is meet people, talk about the product, and keep everybody together, because we're a team here, and that is how we've succeeded. Everybody's a friend, and honestly, we have such a good time. And at the end of the day, we sell machines too, which is really nice.
We are a machine tool dealer in Spain. We are from Basque Country. Our headquarters is located close to San Sebastian, but we cover all Spain. We have branches in Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, and really Sodick is, in my opinion, and in the opinion of my customers, one of the best, if not the best, EDM suppliers in the world. And we are part of this family. I am very proud to be Sodick dealer.
We're a product-focused company that absolutely focus on the technology behind the machine. And I'm sure you hit it many times, but the linear motors, the ceramics, the real core of the company is the technology. It brings success because we try to display that, we try to educate the audience, our customers, to the advantage of the technology. An example of that is that linear motors allows us to give a 10-year warranty on the machine, positioning warranty, and that's a tremendous benefit for the customer.
With all of your core values, how do you think your customer benefits?
Well, the benefit because, first of all, our backup and our service is second to none. We have all of the spare parts for machines going back over 25 years. We can offer the whole package. We can educate them. We even educate people who have had machines for 10 years, and they send the next operator to us for training. So it's value for money that we offer, really, and we don't generally charge for that either, to be quite honest. We're a complete family, and we're so close. During COVID was very difficult for everybody, but we knew our customers, we knew our dealers, and we were all so close that we don't have to go to see them every day, every week. But we're just friends, and that's our success.
So why do you think a customer holds you in high regard to have a long-term relationship with you?
Okay, so I'd say we attract them from the technology, the performance of the machine, but we also deliver great service, support. We look after our customers. We never, we have machines that are 30, 35 years old in the market, and we still try to support them in any way we can. We never tell a customer, you know what, your machine's too old, we're not going to support it anymore. We always do our best to give them support. Many machines may have features that are sales features, marketing features, but Sodick you really have core features that give benefit to a customer, allows the customer to generate more revenue, more bottom line profit.
You've brought everyone tonight as dealers together Why do you hold an evening? Can you explain why we're here?
Because we like to talk to the people, we like to communicate, we like to have that off work time. You know, it's important to not only work hard but also enjoy. And you know, we take groups of customers to Thailand and indeed Japan, and it's the same thing. We'll work hard, but in the evening we'll have a meal, we'll have a drink, we'll have a chat, and we'll have a laugh, which is really important.